Meaning of defragment.
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 Defragment. Defragmentation is the process of rearranging fragmented data on a hard drive or other storage devices for improved performance. Over time, data on a computer can become fragmented into small chunks scattered around the disk. This fragmentation can slow down the system and make it difficult for the computer to find and access files quickly. Defragmentation reorders these scattered pieces into contiguous blocks, reducing access time and improving system performance. It also frees up space by consolidating fragmented free space. Defragmentation is a routine maintenance task that can help optimize the performance and lifespan of a computer's hard drive.